The pencil is on the book.
The pencil is on the book.
The apple is under the chair.
The apple is under the chair.
The cat sleeps in the basket.
The cat sleeps in the basket.
The clock is above the door.
The clock is above the door.
He is hiding behind the curtain.
He is hiding behind the curtain.
The glass is on the table.
The glass is on the table.
The fish swims in the tank.
The fish swims in the tank.
The cap is on my head.
The cap is on my head.
The dog is under the blanket.
The dog is under the blanket.
The shoes are by the door.
The shoes are by the door.
I wake up at 6.
I wake up at 6.
She comes home after lunch.
She comes home after lunch.
We eat dinner before 9.
We eat dinner before 9.
He was born in October.
He was born in October.
The match is on Sunday.
The match is on Sunday.
I leave school at noon.
I leave school at noon.
They arrived after sunset.
They arrived after sunset.
I study during the day.
I study during the day.
He slept until morning.
He slept until morning.
She reads in the evening.
She reads in the evening.
I ran to the shop.
I ran to the shop.
She drove into the garage.
She drove into the garage.
The ball rolled down the hill.
The ball rolled down the hill.
He jumped over the bench.
He jumped over the bench.
They moved out of the room.
They moved out of the room.
She ran towards the gate.
She ran towards the gate.
He came from the park.
He came from the park.
The frog jumped into the pond.
The frog jumped into the pond.
We walked across the road.
We walked across the road.
The boy climbed up the stairs.
The boy climbed up the stairs.
The desk is between two chairs.
The desk is between two chairs.
He is standing beside the teacher.
He is standing beside the teacher.
The dog sat near me.
The dog sat near me.
The gift is for you.
The gift is for you.
She is with her mother.
She is with her mother.
The cat is among the boxes.
The cat is among the boxes.
The pen is inside the bag.
The pen is inside the bag.
He is outside the shop.
He is outside the shop.
The house is next to the school.
The house is next to the school.
The car is parked in front of the shop.
The car is parked in front of the shop.
I am good at drawing.
I am good at drawing.
She is tired of waiting.
She is tired of waiting.
We are excited about the trip.
We are excited about the trip.
He is afraid of the dark.
He is afraid of the dark.
They laughed at the joke.
They laughed at the joke.
I talked about the movie.
I talked about the movie.
He smiled at me.
He smiled at me.
She cares for her baby.
She cares for her baby.
I waited for my friend.
I waited for my friend.
They cheered for the team.
They cheered for the team.
He fixed it with glue.
He fixed it with glue.
She wrote with a pencil.
She wrote with a pencil.
I drew with crayons.
I drew with crayons.
They built it with wood.
They built it with wood.
He made tea with milk.
He made tea with milk.
She cleaned with a cloth.
She cleaned with a cloth.
I painted with a brush.
I painted with a brush.
They cooked with oil.
They cooked with oil.
He repaired it with a tool.
He repaired it with a tool.
She tied it with a string.
She tied it with a string.
I played with Anna.
I played with Anna.
He talked to the teacher.
He talked to the teacher.
She danced with her friend.
She danced with her friend.
We walked with our cousin.
We walked with our cousin.
He smiled at his sister.
He smiled at his sister.
I sat next to Tom.
I sat next to Tom.
She sang with joy.
She sang with joy.
They worked with the team.
They worked with the team.
I stood behind him.
I stood behind him.
She ran after her brother.
She ran after her brother.
The book is on the shelf.
The book is on the shelf.
I study in my room.
I study in my room.
He sat under the fan.
He sat under the fan.
She stood at the door.
She stood at the door.
The ball is in the box.
The ball is in the box.
He is inside the house.
He is inside the house.
We played outside the house.
We played outside the house.
The cup is on the table.
The cup is on the table.
The bag is beside the chair.
The bag is beside the chair.
The light is above the board.
The light is above the board.
He lives in India.
He lives in India.
She moved to Canada.
She moved to Canada.
We flew over the mountains.
We flew over the mountains.
He walked around the lake.
He walked around the lake.
She came from China.
She came from China.
The train goes through the tunnel.
The train goes through the tunnel.
The road runs along the river.
The road runs along the river.
The city is near the sea.
The city is near the sea.
The car is driving into the garage.
The car is driving into the garage.
We drove past the bridge.
We drove past the bridge.
She jumped into the pool.
She jumped into the pool.
He ran across the field.
He ran across the field.
The gift is from my uncle.
The gift is from my uncle.
The key is under the mat.
The key is under the mat.
The bus stopped at the station.
The bus stopped at the station.
The ball is behind the box.
The ball is behind the box.
The student stood in front of the board.
The student stood in front of the board.
I walked away from the noise.
I walked away from the noise.
He looked through the window.
He looked through the window.
We waited until the rain stopped.
We waited until the rain stopped.